Okay, so in an attempt to show that this thing is not an unresponsive piece of crap, I've come up with an obstacle course indoors. I'm going to attempt to take off from here, rotate 180 degrees, and then land on the freezer. I can't see if, yeah, it's on. Okay. Careful, 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 careful. Rotate, rotate, down, come down. Sort of. I almost got it. I've done it before. I've taken off from the ground and done it. So this should just be easier. Quit gravitating towards shit. It's like, oh look, something for me to run into. No. Fuck. Well, I landed that time. Just couldn't see it. Ha ha ha. Rotated. Fuck. You let off the throttle a little bit, it just dives into the ground. Come on, baby. Nope, not towards the ceiling. Yep, towards the freezer. Not that towards the freezer. That's away from the freezer. 180-degree turn. Has to be 180 degrees. Oh shit! Oh shit!